Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some amazing new DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves. They're simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For this first quick and easy DIY, I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree container, as well as this gold glittered ribbon that I already had. I'll be using this bling adhesive strip and it's from Amazon. I'll also be using this candle stand from Dollar Tree. And so I'm gonna add some fairy lights and some flowers. And yeah guys, here's what it looks like. What do you guys think? For our next quick and easy DIY, I'll be using this apothecary jar that I already had, and I'm just going to take some Elmer's translucent glue and brush that on the inside of the container about halfway up. I'll be using this iridescent fine glitter. I'm going to use this pearl ribbon from Dollar Tree, as well as this snowflake face filler from Amazon. Here is DIY number 2. What do you guys think? For my third and final DIY, I'm going to use these candle stands from Dollar Tree. Guys, I'm going to be reusing these tea light holders from Dollar Tree that I have made in a previous DIY. And I'm just going to add one of those snowflake face fillers to the front of the tea light holder. I added some pearl bling stickers from Dollar Tree, and here is quick and easy DIY look number 3. What do you guys think? Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. I'll be back on Sunday at 6 p.m. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.